Hi guys, working my way through the Thames and Kosmos remote control machines animals engineering kit. So we have done the crab, the orangutan, that one was disappointing, it kept falling apart. The penguin, the T-Rex, and next on the list is the pterosaur. So I'll set the camera up. I've taken the penguin apart again, and we'll get on with the pterosaur. Right, this is take two. Camera's playing up a bit. I hope that doesn't go on all night. I've just taken the bits apart that I put together. So we're doing part one of them, one of them, two of them, one of them. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, that's that part. Then one of these in there, holding that way up. That's going to go on there. I think that's it. And this one should be facing the other way. Right. Next. So that like that. Like that. Like that. And then that one goes in there like that. We've got two of these now. Because one was faulty and I fixed it. Right, let's see if we can get this the right way up. That piece, that piece. So that one. That's a little bit vague, that. those two holes going up there. Okay. One of them. The red gear that way round. And that is going to go in there. And this one that way round. And one of them in hole C. So when we hold that up like that, that goes, hang on, hold that. Oh, I got it wrong. Can't have been that difficult to get it wrong, but I got it wrong. Take that off. Take that off. That one. On there like that. I do seem to find it very easy to get it completely wrong. Okay, that one's going to sit on there like that. Turn it around. Like that. Now, let's move that up. This is the bit we're looking at now. That. That. The pulley. Like that. And the other one of them. Yeah. Short piece like that. Goes into that one there. This one. Next hole on. Yeah, that hole. Oh. Another short one in there. Red gear. Whole C again. ABC. Come on. Right. Oh, I see. This is going to be a bit of string on there. I understand now. Yes. Now, these pieces. Nope, wrong way up. Choice of two, got it the wrong way up. Well, I can see how it's going to work. Those turning around are going to flip that up and down. And we need a bit of string. Surely we can put this on later. Might not be very easy because we've got the bodywork in the way. Okay, so that's going to go under, over, and under. Right, now, bodywork. because most of these are pre-bent because they've been used before. Right, okay. Tail first. No, not quite yet. Tail, right. That piece in there. Is that the right way around? Is that the right piece? No, that's the wrong piece. That piece. A bit of a jump here. I've actually deleted the second half of that video because I was complaining that that piece of bodywork wasn't the right piece. But after editing the video and looking at it carefully, I decided it was the right piece. I just hadn't fitted it correctly. So that is the correct way round, and it now fits. I also had problems demonstrating it because the wings kept falling off, or at least the arms underneath the wings kept falling off. So I've wired them in place. I'll show you that in a minute. Of course, the third thing is, having re-videoed it, I then found that my microphone didn't work. So I'm having to do a voiceover. So I'm not very happy at the moment, but I'll keep it polite. So you can see on the front there's bits of red wire that I've used to wire the pieces together to stop them falling apart when the wings are flapping. I could probably have done that on the orangutan because that one kept falling apart as well. So it now works. It tips forwards when it moves forwards, goes backwards nice and level, but you will see as soon as we go forwards, he tips forwards. Then it's okay. It just suddenly tips over. So here we go. Yeah, tips forwards, and then we're okay. So I think that'll do. We are working, and I've deleted about 20 minutes of the video where I spent a lot of time moaning about that bit of plastic on the back. I just couldn't get it to line up. Those bits of wire, you can't really see them because it's very fine wire that I'm using, but they are doing the job and stopping it falling apart. It's either that or gluing it, but I want to take it apart again. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.